a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. In this place, it was brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot die. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel fear or dread. We stop existing or start living. But it feels like always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world. Oh, make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying to care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and me. And the dream we once conceived in will build a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep dragging life with this earth's crucified soul? It's plain to see this world is heavenly. In God's glow, we will fly so high. Let our spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are all my brothers and sisters. Create a world with no fear. Together we'll cry happy tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. With a little space, we can make a better place.